I'm Jane King. Apple amazes again, but Twitter not so much as it struggles with sluggish user growth.
I'm Scott Gamm. It's decision day for the Federal Reserve.
I'm Rhonda Schaffler. The GOP candidates debate tonight focusing on jobs and the economy.
Well, stocks are opening slightly higher here today. Apple did deliver a solid quarter, but the stock is going nowhere. Apple sold 48 million iPhones, which is a 22% jump compared to the previous year, and is about what analysts expected. It had 51 billion in revenue and is sitting on 206 billion in cash. A different story for Twitter, though. The honeymoon is over already for new CEO Jack Dorsey, and investors want to see subscriber growth. It added just 4 million users for a total of 307 million.
Jane, what are you watching after the bell?
Well, of course, more earnings. GoPro is one to watch tonight. The company has a history of beating top and bottom line expectations, but analysts have recently grown cautious on GoPro as it's had no meaningful innovations. And Buffalo Wild Wings has dealt with rising costs, price increases, and new technology, and all of this during the start of football season. So we're going to be keeping an eye on that one as well. Now, Scott, earnings, of course, important, but we also have a Fed meeting looming.
We do, Jane. The Federal Reserve wraps up its two-day policy meeting later today, of course, releasing its October statement, which is not expected to mention a rate hike. But the Fed's language will be scrutinized very carefully. You may remember back in the September meeting, the Fed added a line about the impact of global financial developments, largely referring to the slump in China and emerging markets. Now, if the Fed removes this kind of language, that could put a rate hike during the Fed's December meeting in play. Rhonda?
Well, the Fed actually may take a back seat for now, but politics will be front and center tonight. The GOP candidates meet in Colorado for a debate that is all about the economy. This is the third GOP debate, and heading into it now, polls show that Ben Carson is leading Donald Trump. This Street will be covering the debate, which begins at 8 p.m. Tune in for lots of stories, videos, and follow us at The Street on Twitter for live commentary during the debate. That is it for us. Check in with The Street throughout the trading day for more news and analysis.